Okay, good morning, everyone. This recording is specific to my 8:30 Tuesday, Thursday class that I took over for Mr. Nguyen. So I had a few questions about the grading and how the final exam is going to work. So what I did was I went ahead and I opened up exam one and exam two again, and I gave an extra attempt um, on exam two if you wanted to improve your score for that exam. Now, when I first took over this class, um, it was made apparent to me that if you made a 90 or higher on the second exam, then you didn't have to take the final exam. Right. So the way that I interpreted this is that if you are satisfied with your exam grades, then at this point, if you have over a B average, uh, I'll just I'll take the higher of your two grades and I'll replace your final exam with that grade. So you don't have to take it if you don't want to. Now, if you haven't done particularly well on any of these exams, you still have another chance to take exam two, but then you also have the optional um, final exam, which is uh, going to cover graph theory, right? And this exam, in a sense, is simply a project that you would put together and email to me at my uh, email address. Now, let me go ahead and pull up this project description. Okay, so where is it? And I'll share my screen in a moment. I just need to get to the thing first. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so here is the description of the final project for my other classes. Now, again, this is optional for you guys because if you're happy with your exam grades, then I'll replace your final exam grade with your highest of your two exams, right? So, but if you choose to do the final, and I have put it in project form, this is the outline. So you can pause the video now and look at this to kind of get a sense of how this works. There's detailed instructions on how to email me this, right? With your groups, provided you formed a group. Um, there's links here for how you should document your project. And it's really important that you document that. Um, and so this is the general structure if you choose to take the final or if you choose to participate in the final project. Otherwise, your highest exam grade will replace your final exam grade. So you've had two exams. If you stop now, then your final exam grade will be replaced with the higher of your two um, uh, exam grades. Now, and um, I'm sticking to the grading policy that it was mentioned at the beginning. So 15% will be homework, 48% will be your test, and 37 will be your final. Now, you took two tests, right? So say you made a 90 on exam one and a 70 on exam two. If you choose to opt out of the final, then I will replace your final exam grade with your 90 from exam one. Okay, just so that's clear. Any of the students that are here with me right now, do you have any questions about that? No questions? Yep, got a question. All right. So just to reiterate, I did this morning. If you look at your exams, they are now open again until the 12th. Okay. And as far as if you choose to do the final project, you need to please email me that you and a few people, a few others, or just by yourself, it doesn't matter. Uh, please email me at my UHD email address saying that you wish to do the final project. And then also, if you choose to do that, let's look at when this would be due for you guys. So this would be due, so Tuesday, Thursday, 8:30. So this is due by the 15th if you choose to do it. Okay. And that's it for today. All the videos that are needed are posted on YouTube if you want to do the final project. Hopefully the grading is clear. You have exams that have been reopened. Um, and that should be it. Hopefully that seems fair. You've had um, yes, actually that's a good point, Aaron. If you are choosing not to do the final project exam, please email me this so I have it documented that you chose not to. Okay. And that's it. um, I'm sorry the semester has been so hectic, dealing with COVID, having my roommate get COVID, and then it just being in the house has been rough for me as well. Had to go to the doctor quite a bit. Hopefully, all of you have been staying safe. Um, so I got a question about having the homework reopened. Yeah, I can go ahead and open that up later. After my next class, I'll open up the homework. Okay. I'll go ahead and post this video to YouTube though, just so that if you want to look at that project outline, you can pause the video and look at it. And then also hopefully other students in the class will view the video as well, because I don't want anyone to be confused or lost. Okay. Um, I know that I haven't got to meet any of you this semester, but when the campus opens back up, please do come say hi. I'm pretty friendly on campus. My door is always open. And I'd like to meet some of you and just talk about programming or jobs and careers after you graduate or grad school or even research. If some of you want to do research on graph theory and programming or machine learning, please feel free to stop by or shoot me an email. And I'm more than willing to talk with any of you. And it's kind of hard being your professor this semester because there's like a lack of connection. Like I like meeting my students and talking to them, and it's really hard to do that via Zoom. So hopefully things get better soon, and I'll get to meet each and every one of you. I guess that'll be it for today. Please stay safe over the holidays. Limit your social gatherings. Don't get sick. Don't get anyone else sick. And thank you for bearing with me over this really rough semester. Well, have a good day.